If more analysis of an obstacle is our next step, then this is what we typically expect to learn.
What is whether or not the obstacle is significant?
Mike Rother says that a target condition can often be this. Hint, it begins with S.
What is a standard?
This diagram shows the predictable zone to the left of the knowledge threshold. This is what we call the zone to the right side of the threshold.
What is the obstacle zone?
What is the uncertainty zone?
Implementing 5S would not be a good target condition for this reason.
What is because it is a countermeasure?
Obstacles can be captured on the obstacles parking lot. If we think of them as causes, we might use this fishy tool instead.
What is a fishbone or Ishikawa diagram?
This is how often coaching sessions should happen with a learner.
What is daily?
It is recommended to work on this number of obstacles at one time.
What is one?
According to Mike Rother, each step is one of these scientific sounding things.
What is an experiment or PDCA experiment?
To understand the current condition, we need to do this.
What is go and see it?
If the learner states that the next step is a countermeasure, the coach should ask this as part of the fourth question.
What do you expect to happen?
Thanks. That is our show for today.